Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new tutorial. In this following video, I'll be showing you the ways to host multiple WordPress sites on Hostinger. To host multiple WordPress sites on Hostinger, you had to follow the steps. First thing first, open up your hostinger.co.uk and then log into your account. When logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. So from the home page, what you have to do is click on the Hostinger website, and next to it you could also see the manage option. Press on that. As soon as you press on it, you could find in the left hand side bar multiple options. Select website, and under website you want to go ahead and click on installer. So on this page you want to select whether you want to create a new website or migrate your website. So select either one of it. Next page, you have to go ahead and buy a domain. So you need to either buy a domain or you could use the existing one. If you have the existing one, click the select button. As soon as you select it, now enter in the information of your domain or the existing domain and click the continue button. Next thing, you'll be able to see this sort of page. Now click the continue button. Now this way you'll be able to host multiple WordPress sites on Hostinger. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.